All right, Alex, and as we've been saying, residents across parts of New Jersey this morning concerned about more flooding as some rivers are expected to crest.
To make matters even worse, we're now looking at another storm system headed our way this weekend. Pix 11's Kalorama is live in Little Falls with more on the conditions out there and what's to come. Kala, good morning.
Hey, Vanessa, Craig, good morning to you. We're here on Woodside Avenue in Little Falls, and I'll show you, look at this water. This is actually a road that looks more like the river, the Passaic River further down the block here, but all of these homes definitely have flooding and definitely have damage. For them, the cleanup begins today. A little bit of a break, but not much because they're going to be preparing for round 3. Let me show you the situation in Lodi now. Take a look at your screen. You can see the damage left behind. So many people pumping out water there. Lodi residents hit with a number of issues after the Saddle River crested there late Wednesday. Emergency crews worked to remove a runaway shipping container from the water after the rising water lifted that container from the Boys and Girls Club, literally tossing it over an overpass. Just feet from where the crews were working to remove that shipping container, a woman was pumping water from her mother's basement for the second time in 3 weeks, already preparing for round 3 this weekend. Governor Phil Murphy toured that area. He's expected to be in this area once again and already ready for an earful from residents.
Whenever we get hit, we only get hit once, and then we get a break a couple years. And this is the first time it's just happened one right after the other.
You can't control Mother Nature. If the river's going to overflow, it's going to overflow.
We don't have any magic wands, but we're going to do what we can.
All right, then ending the week, we gear up for a similar storm system that will likely bring heavy rain and strong winds with the risk of another round of river flooding. The National Weather Service issuing a coastal flood watch Saturday morning through Saturday afternoon with the chance of 2 to 3 feet inundation. Back out here live, Passaic River here pretty high, but we're told the worst of it should be this. It should be this high for the time being and then maybe recede just a little bit, but the damage is already done for so many homes. Just a second ago, while you guys were in video, we had PSEG come through the area checking all of the streets. They've already done it yesterday. They're doing it again today just to make sure that the people on this road have power. People down there, some of them do not, so that's a whole other situation that they're going to have to get through, but only when they can get through the road safely. We have a number of wires also hanging down. He said for now they're safe. It's cables. He's already taken care of it. I just wanted to make sure that we are safe out here, and that's the situation for now. Governor Murphy will be here at 10 o'clock this morning. We're live in Little Falls. I'm Kalorama, Pix 11 News.